This is probably different than you see in fancy videos from Dubai. You don't see any fancy cars here, etc. But it's still super nice and clean, and this is the reason why I love Dubai. There is some big supermarket. Here is some big hypermarket. Unfortunately, I can't transfer this amazing smell from this restaurant here. Wow, it's amazing. It smells delicious. We are getting to all part of Dubai. As you can see, the buildings here are not that great. Yeah, unfortunately this is poor area, but it doesn't mean something wrong with this. Nothing wrong, still it's clean, still it's safe. Don't be scared to come here. You can see something different, not just skyscrapers. And every time when I'm in Dubai, I'm getting question if this is safe for female travelers. Yeah, it's absolutely safe. I'm here completely alone, walking around, and it's so safe. Don't be scared. You don't need to wear any special clothes. You can wear whatever you want, actually, just only if you want to enter mosque. But apart from the mosque, there are no rules what you need to wear here. It's up to you. I cover my shoulders because it's windy today, so it's the reason. And I always take something with me, like either light jumper or scarf, because lots of places they have really strong air condition and I don't like it, so I always carry something with me. I'm going around the historic part and I will end it up in Al Seef. You probably saw that in my videos before. We are in Al Seef again. But this time during the Ramadan, so they have some really nice decoration here. I'm just walking here around. I will go inside. I just want to go to see the river. If you want, you can buy a ticket over there, over there, and you can go to other side, Deira. Oh, actually, the kiosk is there. And you will go by this boat. It's really quick. Yeah, it's super cheap. You can do it as a part of your trip. I am going inside. I'll see if I'm really looking forward to see all these Ramadan decorations here.
Nakaupo lang, di ba? Wala naman siyang reklamo kanina.
I'm actually surprised it's still so quiet. Nice. This is mostly for souvenirs. If you want to buy souvenirs, come here. You can find everything, really everything here. Clothes, spices, sweets. Kashmir. Oh, this is nice. Wow. I need to take a picture. Oh, 1 second. Oh. Nice. Here we have something hotels. Really nice. Well, I'm so surprised how quiet is it. I know some people are scared to come here during the Ramadan, but there is no rule for tourists. So, as like normal day, actually, hotels and some accommodations are cheaper. You can get lots of offers for food or like even taxis. Some of them they have a Ramadan offer. So yeah, uh, don't be scared to come here during the Ramadan. It's not going to affect your holiday at all. It actually might be even better if you come here during the Ramadan because you will see their culture, how they celebrate Ramadan. You can experience Iftar, which is evening meal. So many hotels they do it either outside or inside, but also restaurants they do like this traditional Iftar. I'll see. I think I will continue for a little bit. It's, I think it's just like after 7. It's not late. I have time.
Weet je, kayo, man?
Dan kom je eerst bij die wat drukke soep. Dat iedereen graag.
Almost all shops are same or at least similar. We are almost at the end of Al Seef. I am going to end this video here. You saw some parts of Dubai and I tell you about the rules. I'll definitely continue with these vlogs and I'll provide you with all information. But for now, hello!
This is your dream.
Yes! This is your dream shop. Yeah, okay, what I was saying. Yeah, but for now, stay safe, take care, and see you later here in Dubai. Bye bye.